today being Tuesday 7 September, I just did $1 and €1, so I can know if the rate is profitable, and I was charged $4.50 to $1. So guys, right now I'm going to fund an extra $100. So from the USD balance, you click on USD US dollar, and then you click on deposit, and then you deposit from card, write $100. Now I'll be charged a total of $102.5, and then you click on deposit, put the CVV of my card, click on OK. So I put the OTP, then I click on next. Okay guys, you can now see what transaction has been approved. So now I close here, and then I go home and I refresh. You see now I have $101. If you look at my history, you will see it added from card $102.05, $76.52. We can click on proceed, and then you say this is to my country, this to my name, and then you click on proceed to send this money to yourself, transfer to own account, then you click on proceed finally. So you can see transaction approved. If you go home now, you see that we've actually sent this money out from our Eurobank account to our CRYTO.com. So this guy actually marked that he has made payments on Binance. You see that the order has been marked as paid, and you see I'm just getting the credit alert right now that I've actually received this money. So what I'm going to do now is to log into my app. You log into your app and confirm that you've actually received the money before you release the coin. Then paste my authenticator code and then submit. So right now you see that I've actually completed this trade. So guys, if you happen to trade with let's say $500 and you can complete this, you can do more than $500 or up to $1,000 in a day. And if you do this, multiply it by 5 to 10, you see that the money is actually tangible.
WATERFRED'S na-akpa ike, ọ bụrụ na WATERFRED'S na-ebe mba, ọ bụrụ na YouTube WATERFRED'S na-akpa ike, ebe na ọ bụrụ na YouTube WATERFRED'S na-aga mba. Nsogbu mkpụrụ nne gị maka na nkịta nwanyị zoro na-akpa akwa. Obi aka obi nwa m, obi aka obi nwa m na-ekente. WATERFRED'S, Michael Jaya. So, what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, click on the red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification icon so any video I drop you get it once your notification feed guys. My name is WATERFRED'S and I teach things about arbitrage, buying and selling of currencies, fiat currencies, dollar, pound, euro, Ugandan shillings, and reselling them back to make profits. So today guys, we'll be looking at a brand new arbitrage method, and it involves three main apps. The first one is called the Dukascopy app, the second one is CRYTO.com, and the third one is Binance. I will be using these three apps to make profits using our Naira to buy other currencies. In case you don't know what arbitrage is, it means using one currency to buy another currency. In this case, using the Naira to buy other currencies like Euro, Ugandan shillings, US dollar, and then reselling it back to make profits. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into my phone screen and let me show you exactly how I do this.
So we'll be using an app called Dukascopy or Swiss Bank. So you open the app. So once you open Dukascopy, you will see that I have $1 in there already. And you can see some of my activities, the amount I've been funding, and I also have £1 The reason why I did $1 and £1 is to find out the rates. Yes, I've equally been doing some couple of activities. You can see I've been funding. If I fund from card, I can withdraw to a Euro bank account. Yes, and then you can see funding withdrawal. Yeah, and just recently, today being Tuesday 7 September, I just did $1 and €1, so I can know if the rate is profitable, and I was charged $4.50 to $1. Yeah, we'll be funded in dollars. So now if the rate is $4.50 to $1, then it is definitely going to be profitable. So guys, right now I'm going to fund an extra $100. So from the USD balance, you click on USD US dollar, and then you click on deposit, and then you deposit from card, write $100. Now I'll be charged a total of $102.5, and then you click on deposit, put the CVV of my card, click on OK. So I put the OTP, then I click on next. Okay guys, you can now see what transaction has been what? Approved. So now I close here and then I go home and I refresh. You see now I have what? $101. If you look at my history, you will see it added from card $102.05.
For you to make profits with this arbitrage method, guys, you have to trade at least $100. In case if you want me to teach you personally my arbitrage methods and exactly the ways I use to earn money legally and legitimately, you can message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S. And please note that my course is a paid course. My course is not a free course, guys.
So once you log into your crypto.com account, to get your Euro bank account details, what you have to do is what? Just click on transfer from here. You click on deposit. You click on Fiat. Then you click on Euro. Next you click on what? On details. And then immediately you click on details, you see all your bank account details. Once you are verified, you get your Euro bank account details. You see your IBAN, your name, your account name, the institution name, where it is located. My own is located in Lithuania. Yes, bank institution country Lithuania. So you can send all of this to your email, or you can be copying them one by one. Yes, and this is the account we'll be sending this money to from our Dukascopy. So right now we are Dukascopy, and what you're going to do now is what? You click on what? On Euro. Then you click on send. Once you click on send, you see bank transfer. You can transfer to CRYTO, you can transfer to Neteller. So you click on bank transfer, and then once you open bank transfer, you see some money I've sent. Like the last money I sent was to myself for €47. I have actually done this before, so I'll click on my name because I've actually sent it before. If you've not sent it before, you just copy the account details from your crypto.com and fill in the details here. So in my case, I select the last account I sent, which was to myself, and then I click on proceed. We have 84.2. This is 84.02. You subtract the sending fee of €7.5, so we'll put in 76.52. 76.52. We can click on what? Proceed, and then you say this is to my country, this to my name, and then you click on what? Proceed to send this money to yourself. Transfer to own account, then you click on proceed finally. So you can see transaction approved. If you go home now, you see that what? We've actually sent this money out from our Eurobank account to our crypto.com. If you check our history, you'll see that the $100 we funded, we've sent it now to our crypto.com. Now guys, if you make this transfer, the first time is going to take approximately 24 hours to land your crypto.com wallet, but subsequent ones are going to take faster. You may start sending more. It may start taking, let's say, like 12 hours, some 8 hours, sometimes 7 hours. So I'm going to allow some time now, guys, and then once this money lands in my crypto.com, we're going to continue making this video.
Okay, guys, if you check now, you will see that I just got the bank transfer. You see bank transfer received, and this is the money we sent from Dukascopy. So let's log in right now to crypto.com. Okay, guys, so if you look now, you will see that I now have what? 76.53 euros. Now, right now, what you're going to do is to use this money, all this money, to buy Stellar. Yes, the Stellar crypto. And the reason why we're buying Stellar is because the sending fee of Stellar from crypto.com to Binance is very, very small. So what you're going to do right now is to click on this middle button, this middle crypto button. Then you click on crypto wallet. And then the next thing you're going to do is click on buy. Then you search SLM, which is Stellar. Then once you search it, click on what? Fiat wallet. And once you click on Fiat wallet, you click on this place. They have the figure, this middle place. This is 50. Then you click on Euro, select Euro, and then you click on Max. I click on buy SLM. So what you're going to do now is to click on confirm. Then you put in your passcode. You can now see that SLM purchase completed. You purchased 268.21 SLM. Type anywhere to continue. So right now we've actually purchased SLM, and if you click on all coins and you search SLM here now, you see that what? We now have what? Stellar worth of 76.41. So we are going to send this Stellar from here to Binance, and once we send it to Binance, we will now what? Convert this Stellar on Binance to USDT. So you log into Binance. So once you log into Binance, what you're going to do is what? You click on this deposit. Once you click on deposit, you see my searches through SLM, or you can search it yourself. See deposit SLM. Please enter both memo and address which are required. You just say okay. So you copy the wallet address.
and remember to you have to put the memo. So you head back to crypto.com. Once you head over to crypto.com, what you're going to do now is click on what? Transfer. You click on withdraw. You click on external wallet. If you've not added it before, you can just click on add new address, wallet address, and then once it comes up, you select SLM, and then you put in the address. Then you go and copy the memo, and then you put in the memo. Wallet name, you can name it anything you want, and then you click on continue. You will see address repeated. This wallet address already exists in your wallet whitelist, so just say okay, and we can close it and then head over to our SLM and then click on withdraw. And then once you click in this middle sign, you see max. Click on max. Set notes, you can leave it optional or you can type anything you want. Just click on withdraw and then click on confirm. You will see your SLM withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Tap anywhere to continue. So right now we have actually withdrawn this money from crypto.com to, you can see now our balance is now zero, from crypto.com to Binance. So what we're going to do now is just to allow some time for us to receive this money on Binance. Okay guys, right now I just got a confirmation under 5 minutes that you see SLM withdrawal has been confirmed, has been completed, and Binance also messaged me right now. Once I open my Binance, and right now you see deposit of SLM has been completed 2 minutes ago. So if we click on spot wallet, and we refresh, you see that we have SLM 268.11. Yes. So the next thing we're going to do now is to what? To come here and click on trade. Once we click on trade, you search SLM/USDT. Click on sell. Yes, because you want to sell your SLM for USDT. You click on 100%, and then you tap on this green sign or this red dot sign. Tap it so I can sell immediately. Then you click on what? Sell SLM. You see successfully done. So what we're going to do now is to click on wallet. Once we click on wallet, you see that right now we have what? 89 USDT. And then this is not enough. One more thing is remaining. Click on transfer. And from here, what you're going to do now is to transfer this money from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. And then you search what? USDT. And then you click on max. And then you click on what? Confirm transfer. We are going to now go home. From home, you click on P2P trading. And then this is very, very important, guys. What you have to do is, if this currency is not NGN, here you have to change it to NGN because we want to sell right now. Remember that we are selling. So you click on sell. You stay in sell. Then click on this filter here. Select bank transfer. Once you select bank transfer, if this show ad from merchants is turned on, please turn it off. Once you click on bank transfer, then go back. Remember, the total amount we are charged is 46,125 here. So what you're going to do is just put, let's say, 45,000 naira or 46,000 naira there, so that those that are selling from 46,000 naira and above are going to appear. So I'll click on what? On yes. So once you are here, what you're going to do now is what? Click on sell, and then you click on all. Then you click on all, then select your payment method, your bank that you want to be paid into, and then you click on what? Sell USDT. So now guys, we are going to be receiving 47,906, but we spent a total of 46,124. So let us do a quick math and see what our profit or loss is. So each $100 we trade on give us a profit of 1,780 naira approximately. So guys, if you happen to trade with let's say $500, and you can complete this, you can do more than $500 or up to $1,000 in a day. And if you do this, multiply it by 5 to 10, you see that the money is actually tangible. So this guy actually marked that he has made payments on Binance. You see that the order has been marked as paid, and you see I've just gotten the credit alert right now that I've actually received this money. So what I'm going to do now is to log into my app. You log into your app and confirm that you've actually received the money before you release the coin. Then paste my authenticator code and then submit. So right now you see that what I've actually completed this trade.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And make sure you share my videos on social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, so other people will see and learn this legal and legit way that we use and make passive income online. Thanks guys for watching once more. Stay tuned. WATERFRED'S here. Thank you and see you in the next one.